Good afternoon, students. My name is Mr. Kennedy Oladai, the geography teacher. We're going to discuss on the topic classification of climate. Classification of climate, that is in general, that's type of classification, but in terms of what? Classification. Classification of climate refers to the various climates. Classification of climate, of various climates, is a what? Conscious attempt of bringing together all different climatic types with similar attributes, meaning that it's an attempt made by the scholars. It's an attempt made by the words scientists, geographers, in order to bring together climate of different parts of the world with similar attributes, with similar variables. Now, if you can understand that classification of climate is what? Bringing together climatical type of similar attributes. Now, let's start with the first type of what? Climatical classification. We have Greek classification of climates. Greek classification of climates. Now, the Greek classification of climates is an attempt by the Greeks, that is what? By the Greek scholars. The Greek classification of climates is one of the earliest method adopted by the Greek scholars to bring climate with similar attributes together based on temperature. Now, what are we saying is that it's an attempt made by the Greek scholars in the past. That is to say, they bring together the word climatic variables. That is to say, if you are to go by the word climatical words, variables in terms of what? Climatical variables such as sunshine, rainfall, temperature, relative humidity. But in their own case, they narrow it to the words temperature. That is the word, based on temperature. They attempt to explain the climatical condition, climatical type of the world using temperature. Now, in their attempts, in this method, they simply divide the hemisphere. That is, they divide the whole globe, the whole world, the entire world into three broad areas, namely tropic or torrid zone. 2, mid-latitude or temperate zone. 3, the polar region or frigid zone. Now, using this diagram, we are not saying that the whole world, using globe as a typical example, they divide it into 3 zones. That is said, in the North Pole here, we have frigid zone. So also in the southern pole, we have frigid zone, whereby in terms of this location, it equally what? Justify this to be what? Frigid, in the sense that the temperature is different from the words from the other type. 2, we have what? The north temperate zone. So also we have what? The south temperate zone. The north temperate zone and the south temperate zone. Here we talk about what? The equally what? Grouping into what? The middle, where we have what? The equator here. That is in the northern part of the equator and the southern part of equator, where we have what? The torrid. Torrid as what? The tropic. Now, by the explanation, according to them, in the frigid here, according to this tropic, let's start with the tropic. The tropic, it is characterized to be that environment whereby the temperature is high, the relative humidity is high. It means that it's an environment whereby they experience high amount of rainfall, proportionate to the words temperature distribution, according to that geographical environment. 2, mid-latitude. Now, mid-latitude, it is equally what? Located in the northern hemisphere and so in the what? Southern hemisphere. That is what? It is what? Characterized to be the zone whereby the temperature is not that high and it's not what? Low. And it's equally what? Situated. It lies between what? The frigid and the torrid. It lies between what? The frigid and the torrid zone. Lastly, we have what? The polar region. That is the frigid. Now, the polar region, as I've explained it, is whereby the temperature, it is characterized to be whereby the temperature is extremely low. Low. That is to say, it's what? Less than that of temperate. It's as well less than that of what? Tropic. Now, the same thing implies to this, the southern pole frigid zone. So now to say it all is that now when I say according to the Greeks, they attempt to explain the word climatical word types. Their attempt is they use one single variable. We have different type of variables in terms of what? Sunshine, relative humidity, temperature, and so forth. Now, but in their own case, they limit this explanation of the word climate. That is what? Their own climatical type is so subjective to one climatical variable. That is in terms of what? Greek classification. Now, what I say that is a conscious attempt to explain the word climatical type. But remember that this type of word, Greek classification, is one of the earliest. That is what? Is one of the oldest method of what? Classifying the word climate into groups. So now, with this, we understand that we still have many more classification of climate. But according to the words, the Greeks, that's their own explanation. So this way, we understand that classification of what? Word climate, it has to do with what? A various and careful explanation of what? Word climate. According to their own school of thought, according to their own understanding, they use one single variable, which is what? Temperature. And by that, they further divide this whole world, the whole hemisphere, into three zones, or into three regions. One, the torrid, mid-latitude, and the polar. And using this diagram, which justify or explain the word climatical classification according to the Greek explanation. With this, I believe we understood what it means by Greek classification of climates.